guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Samai Marie, and today we are doing boho goddess braids on my hair. As you can see, I have divided my hair into 4 even sections as best as possible. This will make parting my hair easier along the way. The braiding hair we're going to be using today is the Queen Bee pre-stretched braiding hair. I got this in the color 2, and for this video I bought 2 packs, but you're only going to need 1. Each pack costs about $7 since they're $6.99 each, so it's super affordable. Next, you're going to need the curly strand hair. For that, I'm going to be using the Features Braid crochet hair in deep twist in the color 2 as well. This is the 22-inch pack, and I got it at the beauty supply for $7.99. For the hairstyle, you won't need the whole pack, so keep that in mind. So as a quick rundown of this hairstyle, I did about 40 braids in total, and the size of my braids were a small/medium size. The braids are not knotless, but I did make sure to keep the knots small. So starting off, I did kind of flat iron my hair so that, you know, it's easier to braid and you get that smooth, silky look. And then these are the products that I use to hold my hair in place and braid my hair. So I will be linking all of my products down in the description box. So if you want to know what they are, or if you want to know where I got it from, just check that out. While braiding, I'm making sure to use the Shine and Jam and apply it to my actual hair so that it has a nice blend to the braid. Also, if you have any flyaways, you do not want the braid to look frizzy before you even finish the hairstyle. So it's always good to just add a little bit of product throughout the braid to keep it looking fresh and nice and neat. After about getting more than halfway through the braid, I'm going to start going ahead and braiding in those curly strands of the Features hair. So basically, in order to avoid having to curl the braiding hair with like cold water rods, I'm just going to go ahead and braid the hair in there so you get that nice wavy look. And you would do it exactly how you would do a feed in, so there's nothing about like rocket science about it, you know. So I'm going over on the other side, I'm doing the same thing, and later on in the video you will see how I did do like pretty much every other braid. I did not do all of them curly at the end. Some of them I prefer them to be straight to get that more boho look, and this is what it's looking like with some of them straight. So that's like me almost 50% done with my head. And showing you how it's looking so far, let you know that I know what I'm doing. And then this is me basically 75% done. Showing you the progress. Yes, period. Very shiny, very sleek, and very neat. Excuse my shoulder strap. I didn't know, I thought it was a braid. And that is how it looks with some curly and then some straight. It's definitely giving the boho goddess look. And then now I'm going to show you how I got the curly strands in there. So first, you're going to put some mousse or some type of gel on the hair after you separate it from the pack, because it will get frizzy and we don't want frizz the first day of our hair being done. So after you have your little crochet hook, you're going to put it in either at the root or somewhere in between the braid. I think right here I have it at the root. You're going to attach it to the crochet hook and pull it through. I want you kind of loop it in there. You're just going to, you know, tighten it and make sure it's secure. Okay, y'all, so it is currently like 1:30. I think it's like 1:24. I think I finished the hair. I realized while I was like editing, I didn't really show y'all like the finished result, and I'm mad because like I basically fell asleep with my hair, because like this is like, I think like 4 days later after like doing my hair, I think. Or hold on, wait, yeah, because I've had it for about like 4 or 5 days already. I fell asleep like twice without wrapping up my hair. I be tired, y'all. Like sometimes like I just be out of it, like